Hi guys, if you're looking for a place where you can do jobs online and get paid from the comfort of your home, make sure you watch this video to the end, because in today's video I'm going to show you 5 best platforms where you can find remote jobs. So if this is your first time of coming onto my channel, I want to say welcome to my channel. My name is Awajimam Isioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you things that you can do that can help you make more money for yourself and grow your business. Now, before I go into the video proper, kindly do me a favor by liking this video, subscribing to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. You are doing that so that when I put out another video, you will be notified. All right, so do me that favor right now. Okay, like this video, subscribe to the video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. Now, I believe that you have done that. So quickly, without wasting much of your time, let me take you straight into the video and show you 5 best platforms where you can find remote jobs. So number 1 is Flex Jobs. This is Flex Jobs, okay? This is the site for Flex Jobs. Now, on this site, you can find genuine remote jobs at companies that get it, okay? Browse and apply to expert verified jobs near you and across the globe. All right, this is a number 1 site for remote jobs. It has 10,000 plus reviews. Can you see it now? And it has higher quality listing, meaning that you can get legit jobs here without all these kind of adverts that are just flying over the screen. All right, you can get verified here. You can make sure, you can check to see that all the jobs are good jobs. All right, there's a lot of things you can do on these sites. All right, all you need to do to get in to see all of the jobs, okay, is to come here, click on the sign up button, and then you go through the verification process, and then you can get jobs that you're looking for. All right, now to tell you that this is a legit website, you can see this has been verified by GMA, okay, even CNN, even WSJ, even USA Today, even CNBC. All right, so this is a top site where you can get genuine job. All right, that is number 1. That is Flex Jobs. Number 2 on our list is Remotive. Remotive is another good place where you can find remote jobs that you want. Okay, so let me take you to Remotive and show you what the website looks like. Now, this is Remotive. Okay, this is another place where you can find remote jobs for yourself. Now, you can find your dream remote job without hassle. Remotive is where top talents go to easily access active and fully remote job opportunities from vetted tech companies. This platform is a very legit platform. All right, you can, if you're a techie person, okay, if you're good with tech, you can actually find jobs in the area of software development. You can find jobs as a customer service. You can find design jobs. You can find marketing and sales, product job, business. You can even find writing jobs here. All right, now to tell you that this is a legit site, you can see that this is trusted by leading companies, that hire people. Leading companies like Stripe, like Zapier, like Square, like Shopify. Okay, that's to tell you that this is a very legit platform where you can get jobs. And as you can see on your screen, you can see customer service rep. How much is that? Up to $25 an hour. That is for US citizen only. Okay, that means you can actually make money in dollars from this platform. As you can see, now you can see another one, freelance writer. Can you see freelance writer? And it is $50 to $75 an hour. That's good money. All right, and this job can be done from any part of the world. As you can see, it is showing worldwide. Are you getting this now? So you can actually come here and sign up here and make money for yourself. Now, to join this website, okay, to join this Remotive platform, all you need to do is to click on Remotive Accelerator. You come here and click on Remotive Accelerator, or you just come to this place. All right, you come to this place and you click on, now look at where I come from. you come to the top right, the 3 horizontal lines, you click on it, and then you come to join Remotive Accelerator. Click on it. All right, once you click on it, you will be brought to this screen. All right, you'll be brought here, and then once you're brought here, you click on join now. Once you click on join now, it's going to open this for you. Insert your email, click on I have read and accept, and then you join. All right, this is remotive.com. You can find a lot of jobs here. You can do a lot of jobs from the comfort of your home. That's the beauty, and you can get paid in your local currency. Okay, you can get paid in dollars, and then you transfer to your local currency. All right, that is number 2. Let's go to the third one. Now number 3 is WorkingNormals. WorkingNormals is another very good place to find remote jobs. Let me take you to WorkingNormals and show you what the platform looks like. Now this is WorkingNormals. This is another remote site where you can find remote jobs for digital working nomads. Okay, like the name implies, nomads means that you are not just in one place, you're moving. Okay, you can work remotely from your home or from places around the world, meaning that even if you are not in your house, you can be somewhere else with your devices connected to the internet. You can do jobs on this site and get paid. We have a perfect 100% remote job opportunities for those looking to start their telecommuting career. All right, you can get access to 25,000 plus remote jobs. That means you can make a lot of money. You can earn a living from this site. All right, this is the site. This is the site. Can you see? Look at jobs: SEO manager, Google Ads account manager, remote working from home, sales manager, that's another one, sales representative, senior data engineer, senior WordPress developer. Can you see different jobs? Can you see these jobs? Different jobs. All right, so you can come to this site and take your time to look at the different jobs that are available. Now you can join the premium. All right, meaning that you're going to pay something to join. You can also come here to the top left, click on this, and then you click on sign up. All right, you click on sign up, and once you click on sign up, you'll be brought here to sign up with your Google account or with your LinkedIn account. Or you can also sign up by inserting your emails here and your password, and then you click on the check button here, and then you sign up. Once you sign up, you will be you will need to go through a verification process. All right, once you go through correctly, you are going to be signed up into the WorkingNormals remote platform. All right, and once you do that, you can start looking for jobs. Okay, this is number 3, WorkingNormals. Number 4 is one of my favorite, and that is Fiverr.com. This is a very legit website. I have made money from this site, and I have lots of proof to show you that this is easy. All right, this is where you can find legit jobs. You can start earning as from $5, $10, $50, $100, depending on how good you are, and there are millions of opportunities on this site. All right, let me take you to Fiverr.com and show you what the site looks like. Now this is Fiverr platform. This is Fiverr.com. On this site, you can get a lot of jobs here. So whether you are a software person or you're a creative person, you know how to design, you know how to write, you know how to sing, there's a lot of jobs for you here. Even if you can just remove text or remove background from images, you can make a lot of money on this site. All right, now all you need to do is to join the site. Okay, you join the site, but before you join the site, let me show you the best part. Okay, you can actually have jobs in the area of graphic design. You can have jobs as a digital marketer. You can have jobs in the area of writing and translation. You can have jobs in the area of video and animation. And if you are a producer, you can actually have jobs in music and audio. You can have jobs in programming and tech, in business, in lifestyle, in data, in photography. There's a whole lot of jobs you can do on these sites. All right, look at it. Look at So all you need to do is to come to this site. All right, take your time to navigate through. Okay, to join this site, what you need to do is to come here, click on join. All right, you click on join and you click on continue with Google. You'll be asked to fill some form, go through a process, and then once you do it correctly, you are going to be granted access to these sites, okay, to start seeing jobs. All right, now how this works is this: you need to sign up properly, verify your account properly, and then make sure that all of the details you are putting here are legit, they are correct details about you. You don't want to miss an opportunity on this site, so make sure that every detail you are putting here is correct. All right, and once you finish that, the next thing to do is to go ahead and set up your gigs. All right, gigs are just like you're setting up your shop, okay, online, telling people that you are good at this so that people can locate you. All right, so once you set up your gigs, people begin to find you from any part of the world and you can get paid in different currencies. All right, I've made money on this platform and I can tell you that it is very legit. If you want to make money on this site, all right, if you want to learn how you can make money on Fiverr, go to the link in the description. I'm dropping a link there for you to where you can gain access to how you can start making money on Fiverr. All right, now this is not for jokers, this is not for people who are just interested, this is for people who are action takers. All right, you need to be ready to take action. Okay, so go to the link in the description. I'll drop a link there for you so that you can find out more about how you can start making money on Fiverr. Okay, that is number 4. Now my number 5, which is a final, is Upwork.com. okay, Upwork.com is another beautiful website where you can find remote jobs, and a lot of people are making money from Upwork. Okay, let me take you to Upwork site and show you how it looks. All right, this is Upwork. This is what Upwork site looks like. Okay, this is what Upwork looks like. So just like Fiverr, you can come here and sign up. Okay, you can sign up on Upwork. There is no cost to join. You post a job or you can hire people. You can work with your best without breaking the bank. You can see these are different job areas that you can join and start doing. Okay, if you're into IT, if you're into AI services, if you're into design, if you're into sales and marketing or writing and translation, you can make a lot of money on this site. Okay, what you need to do to come here to make money, just like Fiverr, you need to sign up. Okay, you come to this top right and click on sign up. All right, if you want to hire people, you can sign up with the one on top, but if you want to work as a freelancer, you want to be making money, you click on this one. All right, once you click on this one, you click on apply as a freelancer and follow the process to apply. Okay, so once you are done with your application, you are going to be taken to where you are going to see a lot of jobs. All right, once again, if you want to learn how to do this properly, okay, go to the link in the description. I'm going to drop a link there for you to learn more about how you can do this properly. All right, now these are 5 platforms. These are 5 platforms that you can get remote jobs. I believe you got value from this video. If you got value from this video, kindly like this video and kindly subscribe to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that when I put out more videos, you will always be notified. I'm going to leave a link in the description to more resources if you want to learn more about this. All right, so I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.